Okay guys, so we're here with our brand new hanging baskets. We have a 4x4 by 10 foot 4x4 and a 2x4 by 12. We also have these 1/2 inch eyelet bolts that are 4 inches long total. And this is what we're gonna hang our hanging baskets from. We've got 2 bags of concrete to hold this post in the ground. We're gonna put it right here guys, so let's start with that. All right, anyways guys, let's dig a hole. And since this is a really crappy old level, if it looks straight, it is straight. Looks good to me. And we still have to backfill a little bit. Good distance apart, right? Yeah, good post. And there we go, it's balancing, so it's got to be at least somewhere within center. We're gonna run a 3.5 inch deck screw. But we're gonna drill a 5/8 hole because that's good. Looks good to me. Now I'm gonna do that 3 more times. Alright, so we got all of those hooks tightened up and the thing's done, ready to hang plants off of. It's nice and sturdy. I'd wait until the next day until the concrete sets before I would actually hang them on there because I didn't do that. We hung it lopsided and then it got crooked. Anyways, guys, that's it for this one. If you guys are new, please subscribe. If you're already subscribed, please share this video with a friend. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big old thumbs up. And also, huge thank you to all of my Patreon supporters. All of my Patreon supporters get the videos 2 days early. So if you want that as well, check out my Patreon. See you guys all next time. Peace out.
Uh-oh. Big uh-oh.